Okay, you want to do your own accounts. You're not ready to sign up to Xero yet. So let's talk about the kind of business that I think this will work for. Well, there's four things I want to mention. First of all, I expect you to have a straightforward business setup. In other words, in the UK, you would be operating as a sole trader, not as a limited company. If you are a limited company, it's too complicated for you to do your own accounts. Number two, I would only suggest you do your own accounts if you don't have employees. So that means you have no need for payroll software. Number three, I would recommend that you only do your own accounts if you're not registered for sales taxes. So you're not registered for VAT or GST. And finally, number four, that you're able to do your accounts on the cash basis. When you submit your accounts to your local tax authority, you're allowed to use a cash basis. That's usually for small businesses.